Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got something pretty interesting in this case here. It is actually a camera that you can put in your ear. Technically is what it's made for, or anywhere else, but I think it's for the ear to look what's inside. So anyways, it came in this little black little pouch here. It looks pretty nice. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Alright, so here we have the camera itself. Oh, and it even came with an adapter, looks like. A micro SD to USB-C adapter. That's pretty awesome. Alright, so it looks like we have some kind of control here. I'm guessing that's probably the brightness control on the light or something. And that's all that's there. And here is the camera itself. So apparently there is a camera and a light inside there. And we have some extra goodies here. So here we have a few things that you can put on the camera. Alright, so let's look at the instruction manual here that came with it. So here's all the different things that it has here, or you could use it for. And the instructions of what to download. Here's some of the specs here. Alright, so that's that. So apparently to change the tips, you just take off. There's a tip on here already. It's like a clear one here, so they just pop right off. And there you can see a little better the lights in the camera. So if you wanted to put this one in, you just pop it on like that, and now you can scoop stuff up while you look at it. If you want to put a mirror, actually there are little grooves in there, little teeth that this stuff actually screws on there, like this mirror screws on, so that way you can pull it out without losing the piece. It makes a lot of sense. But the mirror is kind of cool because then you can see 90 degrees to the side, so that's pretty awesome. And you got a couple other things here, so a little picker here to pick stuff. You need to get something out maybe out of the ear or whatever. Anyways, let's download the software for this so we can connect it to the phone and see how it works. Alright guys, so I went to the Play Store and they didn't have the one they are advertising. I guess you have to download it directly. I don't think I want to do that. I'd rather download some from the Play Store, so I'm going to go with OTG View. So that should be pretty much the same thing. Alright guys, so I got the end of the cable here, and it's got a pretty nifty little thing where you can use USB here if you're going to use Windows or computer. And then it pops open like this, and you got micro USB. And then if you got USB type C, then you just put this little adapter on top. And then you got everything. So it covers all three of them, which is kind of neat. So let's go ahead and put this little cover back on here. Alright, so here we have the OTG open. So let's go ahead and plug in and see what happens. Alright guys, so after trying to plug this thing in into the phone, it has not worked. So then I quickly went online to see what was going on, and it looks like that I needed this adapter that apparently came with my phone. Thankfully I still had it. It's a Samsung phone. I think there's walkarounds for other phones, but if you have a Samsung phone, you do have this little adapter that comes with your phone. If you don't have this, I guess you'll have to get it before you can use something like this. And yeah, so now that we have this, we can go ahead and plug it in and it should start working. Let's see, this will be the first time I try. And there we go. The good part is the light did come on this thing, so that's good, but it's not showing anything here. Oh, here we go. Alright. Oh, there it goes. Alright, we're live, guys. Alright, let's see if we can, or are we live? I'm going to try to use this manual here to see if I can show you guys. There we go. So you can see that is part of the E. Let's take off this little sleeve. I'm thinking maybe the sleeve is messing the view up. Oh yeah, there we go. We can see it a lot better now. It's more like a normal camera. There we go. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so this thing is kind of like a magnifier, so you can get really close to it, but it really kills the quality too.
Try in your ear.
I'm going into the ear canal, guys. Oh man, my ear doesn't look so clean.
Oh my.
Dude, you can see inside the ear. Look at that. Dude, you can see my eardrum.
What eardrum?
That right there. See that thing right there?
What?
Guys, check this out. You can see my eardrum. That's insanity. In the world.
Wait, what is that?
That's the eardrum. Hey, look, I have some dirty ears a little bit around the drum. They're pretty clean overall though. Also guys, I wanted to mention that the way you know that you're holding it, or the top is this little dot right here. So that's the top. So when you're holding it up like this, you can see things normal. Wait, no, never mind, that's the bottom. Well, that's weird. So the bottom, the dot is the bottom, bro. I wonder if you can flip that around or not. 180 degrees. There we go. I flipped it around. That was the wrong way. So yeah, the dot technically is the top now that I flipped it. So you have some kind of reference to know, you know, what you're looking at. So, all right, guys. So this is the scope, and definitely is unique. And if you need to look into something, a hole of some sort, ears, that it works great for an ear, as you saw. So honestly, these attachments here are useless. I tried to put this on again and use it. I mean, it's just all blurry. It doesn't even do anything. And I also tried the mirror. That was, I don't know, the quality of the mirror, just reflections are just terrible. So this is the best way to use it, just like that, open-ended. So honestly, this could technically be useful if you need to scoop something out. So honestly, I could see definitely using this for automotive purposes. If you need to go into a cylinder, because it's straight, you can go straight down and you can really see everything in there really good. So that would be good for that. This is a pretty cheap option. So yeah, overall seems like a pretty decent thing. So the only thing is the connectivity could be an issue. Make sure your phone is compatible before you buy this. Anyways guys, if you want to get one of these, I got this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. If you found this video interesting, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.